Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to make a backup copy of your Microsoft Outlook PST file. This is a crucial process for protecting your emails, contacts, and calendar data, ensuring you never lose important information if something goes wrong with your system. Start by opening your Microsoft Outlook app and logging into your account. Give it a moment to fully load all your emails and data. This initial step is important because Outlook needs to be running to access the file locations we'll be working with. Once your email has loaded completely, head to the File menu located on the top part of your screen where your tools and menus are situated. Click on File, and the menu will expand, revealing several options for managing your Outlook settings and data. From your File menu, look for Account Settings. You'll notice it has a small drop-down arrow next to it. Click on that drop-down, and from the expanded options, click on Account Settings again. This will open a new Account Settings window where you can manage various aspects of your Outlook profile. In the Account Settings window, click on the Data Files tab. This is where all your PST files are managed. You'll see a list of all the accounts you have configured under your Outlook. Take a moment to identify which account you want to create a backup for, as some users may have multiple email accounts linked to their Outlook. From the list of accounts, click on the Outlook account you wish to make a backup copy of, then double-click on it. This action will reveal important information about where your data is stored. Now you'll see the directory folder path of your Outlook PST file displayed on your screen. Double-click on this path to highlight and copy the destination folder. Once copied, paste it into your folder view address bar at the top of any File Explorer window. This will take you directly to the location where Outlook stores your PST files. From here, you'll see the actual copies of your Outlook PST files sitting in this folder. These are the files that contain all your emails, contacts, calendar entries, and other Outlook data. You can simply right-click and copy these files, then paste them into a different folder on your computer or an external drive. This ensures they won't be overwritten during updates or system changes and serves as a reliable backup. And that's it. You've successfully created a backup copy of your Microsoft Outlook PST file, giving you peace of mind that your important data is protected. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.